Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can put on the dark mode on your Emporia tablet. For that, you want to go to settings and then go to display and select dark theme here. You can enable this, and it took a second now, and then the screen turns black, but you can also click on it and then say schedule. So you can say turns on at a custom time or turns on from sunset to sunrise. When you select turns on from sunset to sunrise, make sure that your location is on, because otherwise the tablet doesn't really know when there is sunset or sunrise at your location. Turn on at a custom time. Here you can say that it should turn on at, like, I don't know, 10 p.m. and then turn off at 6 a.m. when you get up. And when you set this, then tonight at 10 the dark mode will appear, and then tomorrow at 6 a.m. the light mode will appear again. So that's how you enable and disable the dark mode on your Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.